Hello everybody, welcome to Jacqueline Marie Living. I'm Jacqueline Marie. I'm so excited that you're here because today we're going to be doing a summer wreath. And the summer wreath theme will be bumblebees. So I got all these ribbons, very cheap, for like $1.25 at the Dollar Tree store. Also, I got the deco mesh at the Dollar Tree store. And these beautiful butterflies with bumblebees that I'm going to be detaching from this ribbon to attach them with a glue gun into the wreath. Also, I got these flowers from Michael's that they were 50% off. And these miniature bumblebees, I got them on Amazon. And the wreath that we're going to use is the wire wreath, and I had a $5 coupon, so I got it for free at Michael's. So I'm very excited to start this project, and I think it's going to look great. So join me to make this beautiful wreath. I'm going to go ahead and unpack all the materials to get started. I bought two color deco mesh. The yellow deco mesh will be the accent color. I'm going to use the white deco mesh first. I'm going to cut a piece of the deco mesh, and then I'm going to attach it with floral wire to the wreath. I'm going to do 3 rows of the white deco mesh. Then I'm going to put 1 row of the yellow deco mesh. After I attach the 3 rows of white deco mesh and 1 row of the yellow deco mesh, I'm going to call the small ribbon, the thin one, and attach it to the wire. Then I'm going to get the medium ribbon and also attach it to the wire, and then repeat the steps of the deco mesh. 3 rows of white deco mesh and 1 row of yellow deco mesh, and then repeat again the ribbons until you complete the entire wreath. At this time, I don't worry about how the ribbon looks. I usually make extra length because at the end I'm going to be trimming the edges in a V shape. This is a very easy to make wreath, but it's time consuming because you have to make a lot of cuts. I usually like to make the wreath that had a lot of flowers because you glue gun them and it's easier to make them. So let me know if you want me to make a wreath using other material besides the deco mesh. We're halfway done and it's starting to look very nice. We completed covering all the wire with the deco mesh. Now we're going to trim the ribbon in a V shape. For the thinner ribbon, I'm just going to cut it in an angle, and for the medium sized ribbon, I'm going to cut it in a V shape. With the wider ribbon that I bought, I'm going to make a bow and attach it to the wreath. I'm using floral wire to secure the bow in the center. I'm going to also detach the butterflies and the bumblebees from the ribbon. I cut a piece of ribbon and wrap it around the center of the bow to disguise the floral wire. I'm also going to glue gun another piece of the ribbon behind the bow. I'm going to attach the bow to the wreath using the glue gun. I'm going to also use the glue gun to attach one of the bees to the center of the bow. I'm going to attach the butterflies and also the bees to the rest of the wreath. I'm going to also separate all the branches of the flowers to start glue gunning them to the wreath. I'm going to use the glue gun again to add additional flowers to the wreath. We're almost done. We're going to add now the miniature bees, and please let me know what you think about this wreath. I'm going to glue gun the miniature bees to different areas of the bow and also the wreath. And there you have it, a summer wreath. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you're a new visitor, please ensure to subscribe because after Memorial Day, I will be using this wreath to decorate my porch. So please ensure that you click the notification bell so you can watch the video. If you like this video and it provides you inspiration and ideas to do your own wreath, please leave a comment below. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope to see you next time in Jacqueline Marie Living. See you then.